Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could possibly play a role in wildlife conservation? It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right here, right now. You see, the intersection of AI and wildlife conservation is a fascinating crossroad where cutting-edge technology meets the primal world of nature. And it's not just about fancy gadgets and high-tech wizardry. It's about using these tools to make a real, tangible difference in the world of wildlife conservation. For instance, consider the monitoring and protection of endangered species. How can we keep an eye on animals that roam vast wilderness areas, often in some of the most remote parts of the world? Enter AI. With the help of artificial intelligence, we can analyze data from satellite images, drones, and camera traps to track these animals, monitor their movements, and even predict their behaviors. But it's not just about keeping tabs on the animals. AI is also helping us to combat one of the most pressing issues in wildlife conservation: illegal wildlife trade. Artificial intelligence can sift through enormous amounts of data on the internet, identifying potential illegal activities and helping authorities to crack down on these illicit trades. AI is also playing a crucial role in tracking animal populations. With traditional methods, this can be a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. But with AI, we can process and analyze data much faster and with greater accuracy. This not only saves time and resources, but also provides us with a clearer and more detailed picture of how these animal populations are faring. So, the question is not whether AI can help in wildlife conservation, but how it is already making strides in this field. The intersection of AI and wildlife conservation is not just a point on a map. It's a dynamic, evolving landscape where technology and nature work hand in hand to protect and preserve our planet's precious wildlife. And as we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, who knows what the future holds? Now let's delve into some real-world applications of AI in wildlife conservation. Artificial intelligence is making a tangible impact in preserving biodiversity, and its applications are as diverse as the species it helps protect. Let's explore a few examples. One of the most prominent uses of AI is in monitoring wildlife populations. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and inaccurate, but AI changes the game. By analyzing images and videos captured by remote cameras, AI can accurately identify and count animals, even distinguishing between different species. This technology is currently being used in the Serengeti, where it's helping scientists track and study the region's diverse wildlife. AI is also playing a crucial role in preventing poaching. In countries like Zimbabwe and Kenya, predictive AI models are being used to anticipate poaching activities. These models analyze data like past poaching incidents, weather patterns, and animal migration routes to predict potential poaching hotspots. Rangers can then focus their patrols on these areas, making their efforts more effective and efficient. Lastly, let's talk about habitat protection. AI is being used to analyze satellite imagery to monitor changes in animal habitats. It can detect deforestation, changes in water bodies, and other environmental factors that could impact wildlife. This enables conservationists to take proactive measures to protect these habitats before it's too late. The results achieved so far are promising. In the Serengeti, AI has helped scientists identify and count over 2 million animals, providing invaluable data for conservation efforts. In Zimbabwe and Kenya, predictive AI models have significantly reduced poaching incidents. And in regions like the Amazon rainforest, AI's monitoring abilities are helping protect critical habitats from deforestation. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing wildlife conservation. The potential for AI to contribute to wildlife conservation is immense, and its applications are only set to grow as the technology evolves. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we can look forward to a future where technology and nature work hand in hand to preserve our planet's precious biodiversity. These are just a few examples of how AI is revolutionizing wildlife conservation. Intriguing, isn't it? But how about some success stories where AI has been instrumental in protecting endangered species? Let's traverse the globe to India, home to a large percentage of the world's tiger population. The conservationists here have a daunting task: monitor and protect these majestic creatures. But AI has taken up the mantle, aiding them in their mission. Conservationists are now using AI-powered camera traps that not only capture images, but also identify the species, count the individuals, and even recognize individual animals. The result? A significant boost in the efficiency of monitoring and protecting these endangered tigers. Now let's shift our focus to the African savanna, where elephants are under constant threat from poachers. Enter AI once again. AI-based algorithms are being used to analyze data from collars worn by elephants. These algorithms identify changes in an elephant's movement patterns, which can indicate threats such as poaching or illness. By alerting conservationists in real time, they can take swift action to protect these gentle giants. But the power of AI doesn't stop there. It's also playing a pivotal role in combating the illegal wildlife trade, a grim business that pushes many species towards extinction. AI is being used to analyze patterns in illegal wildlife trade data, helping authorities anticipate and intercept illicit activities. This has led to significant breakthroughs in protecting a myriad of species from pangolins to parrots. These aren't just isolated instances. They are part of a growing trend where technology and nature intersect, forming a bond that ensures the survival of the most vulnerable among us. From the depths of the ocean where AI is tracking shark populations, to the skies above where it's monitoring bird migrations, the reach of AI in wildlife conservation is truly global. These success stories demonstrate the power of AI in aiding wildlife conservation efforts. It's a testament to human ingenuity, showing us that when we leverage technology for the greater good, we can protect the biodiversity of our planet and ensure the survival of species that are teetering on the brink of extinction. So, where do we go from here? What is the future of AI in wildlife conservation? As we move forward, the potential for artificial intelligence in wildlife conservation is vast and exciting. AI technologies are becoming more advanced, more accessible, and more integrated into conservation efforts worldwide. They're evolving from tools that merely aid in data collection to sophisticated systems that can predict, analyze, and even act upon the data they gather. Imagine a future where AI systems can predict an animal's movement patterns based on environmental factors, enabling conservationists to respond proactively to potential threats. These systems could provide real-time updates on animal populations, health status, and habitat conditions, all without human intervention. Another exciting prospect is the integration of AI with other emerging technologies, such as drones or satellite imagery. This could allow for wide-scale monitoring of habitats and wildlife populations, even in remote or hard-to-reach areas. It could also streamline efforts to combat illegal wildlife trade by pinpointing suspicious activities and alerting authorities in real time. But as with any technology, AI in wildlife conservation comes with its own set of challenges. These include ethical considerations around privacy and autonomy, the risk of relying too heavily on technology, and the need for robust, high-quality data to train AI systems. There's also the question of access and inclusivity, ensuring that these technologies are available and beneficial to all, not just a privileged few. Yet despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in wildlife conservation are enormous. If harnessed effectively, AI could revolutionize the way we protect and preserve biodiversity, allowing us to respond more quickly and efficiently to threats and changes in the natural environment. AI is not a silver bullet, and it won't replace the need for traditional conservation methods or the invaluable work of conservationists on the ground. But it is an incredibly powerful tool that, when combined with human ingenuity and commitment, could make a significant difference in our efforts to protect the planet's wildlife. The future of AI in wildlife conservation holds a lot of promise. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI is playing a crucial role in wildlife conservation. From monitoring endangered species to combating illegal wildlife trade, artificial intelligence is providing us with new ways to protect our planet's biodiversity. It's allowing us to track animal populations in real time, and it's giving us the tools to fight back against those who would harm these creatures for their own gain. Think about it. With the power of AI, we're able to gather and analyze data like never before. We're able to see patterns and trends that were once invisible to us, and we're able to take action based on that information. It's a game changer, not just for conservationists, but for everyone who cares about the natural world. And the best part, this is just the beginning. With every passing day, AI technology is improving and evolving. Who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day, we'll be able to predict and prevent threats to wildlife before they even happen. The possibilities are limitless. But while AI is a powerful tool, it's not the only one we have. Each and every one of us can play a part in protecting our planet's wildlife. Whether it's by supporting conservation efforts, making sustainable choices, or simply spreading the word about the importance of biodiversity, every action counts. So let's keep the conversation going. Let's continue to explore the intersection of AI and wildlife conservation, and let's see where this journey takes us. After all, knowledge is power, and the more we know, the more we can do to make a difference. So, what are you waiting for? Dive deeper into the world of AI and wildlife conservation. Look for more information, engage in discussions, ask questions, and most importantly, stay curious. The future of our planet depends on it. Remember, every bit of knowledge counts in making a difference. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Brainiacata. Stay curious, stay informed.